Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar yen, I mean, this is looking way more like a 1-2-3 than an ABC, like I was saying yesterday. If it really is a 1-2-3, it actually might keep on stretching out and end up looking something like this, maybe going all the way up to like the 1.5 area, possibly. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 1-hour time frame. Now, it does look like it's due for a pullback, and this definitely could turn into more of a complex pattern. This still could end up being, some sort of a running ABC like that. Definitely possible. So if you start getting some breaks of starts into the downside, you can start sorting it for sure. But I definitely would be looking at any move I see to the downside, as possibly just a pullback within an uptrend. So if it does start to make a move to the downside, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. Then I would observe it to see if it makes a corrective pattern to a fib level and then gives us an entry to go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. Because if it really is a wave one, wave two, wave three, then this pullback right here is probably only going to be like a 38%, maybe 50% pullback within an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.